Hey everybody, do you love spending time outside in your fifth wheel camping, but just not so sure of the quality of water that's coming out of the ground next to the sewer pipe? Well, me too. You know, you never can quite tell what's in your water at a campground. There could be bacteria, viruses, lead, mercury. You just don't know. So I had a company called FrizzLife send me a device that I think may be a resolution to all that. And I'm gonna show you guys that today to get you drinking pure, clean, and fresh water anywhere you go with your RV. So this is made by a company FrizzLife. This is the MV99 FZ2 series. This is an inline water filtration system. This filter right here reduces bad taste, odor, lead, mercury, all those kind of things. It comes with a pressure regulator, which is pretty nice because usually these are about 10 or 15 or 20 bucks by themselves. Now, one thing that I added to this unit was a quick disconnect coupler. So you can get these from Amazon, and this just makes it a lot easier than having to thread your water lines when you get to a campsite. So we're gonna hook this sucker up. I'm gonna show you how easy it is. It's got a mounting system. You can mount it either inside interior of your camper, or it comes with this little housing that you can just set it in there, pop it on the ground, and you're ready to go. We'll take the water line, disconnect it with the quick disconnect, connect that to the FrizzLife, and then this one's got a quick disconnect on it as well. Pop it into the camper, and that's it. Right now I'm camping in Florida, and the Florida water is kind of skunky tasting. This filter made it taste tremendously better. We can now drink the water out of the sink and not have that kind of murky, swampy taste. This alleviates all that. This is the package it comes in. This is the MV99. This is the FZ2 series, and I highly recommend it from FrizzLife. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a good camping trip and great tasting water.